There's so many options for these LED strips. It's crazy. That's so sweet. Dang, that one's cool.
You're a superhero.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the CG channel. My name's Christina.
I'm Grant.
And we're at Amato Sports today because we are finally going to be installing some Underglow for the 350Z. I think a 350Z is the perfect car for Underglow. But let me show you guys what I got and where I got it from.
Just a quick side note, this is actually being filmed before we finished the wrap, but we already released the wrap video, so if you haven't seen the car fully unveiled with all the cosmetics like the spoiler, diffuser, mudguards, everything on it, then go check out our previous video.
Alright, so before I got this package...
Welcome to Amato Sports.
where you're gonna hear constant revving.
BQs.
Yeah, VQ Nation. All right, so I got my package from Lit Lights. They have very high quality LED kits, and there's like all types of kits for whatever you'd like. So you guys should definitely check them out, but I'll show you what I got. So as soon as you open up the box, you actually got the package that says Lit Lights with everything in there. But before we get into the good stuff, I got some stickers. I got an air freshener, and I got a thank you letter. Oh dang, I actually got 2 stickers, so that's pretty cool. As you guys can see right there, one's like rainbow, one's white. And then I got an air freshener, which I will be putting on, and my thank you letter. Also, looks like I got some heat shrink tube, and I got the mounting hardware. So everything comes with your kit, which is absolutely needed, so you don't have to go out and buy everything and you don't know what you need until you're actually installing it. But now on to the good stuff. So once you open this up, you have everything absolutely organized, and you have the Bluetooth controller. Everything's labeled as well, so you don't have to freak out and try to figure out everything on your own. So Bluetooth controller, we have the power converter in a bag, and we have the extensions, and finally the 2 bags of LED lights right over here. If you guys are wondering what kit I got for my 350, I got the new Flex Series Infinity Underglow. So I'm really excited to put this on, and I'll show you guys how it looks like at the very end when it's dark. All right guys, so as I mentioned previously, everything is labeled and organized super well versus throwing everything in a box saying figure it out.
And I, in the meantime, am gonna be wrapping the front bumper also.
But when this video's out, it should already be done, so go check it out. Alright guys, so Jake was just taking a look at the power converter, and of course what's better than already having the fuse in there. The last set I ordered from a different company, I'm not going to say who, had like nothing there with you, and I did spend a good amount on it, but this definitely has everything already set up for you, so it's pretty much plug and play maybe? What do you think? Okay, so yeah, Jake says it's pretty much plug and play. Here we have labeled these side strips real quick, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys and show you. This is what they look like, very high quality, and everything is covered pretty well. And here is the second set. I also want to open up the Bluetooth controller. I want to show you guys what that looks like. But obviously this is the second set right here. Nice. So this is the controller unit rather. Focus. This is what it looks like. It says Lit Lights on it. Alright guys, so Jake is going to be laying everything out just so he can get a feel of where everything's going to be around the car. And for the most part, what I see is mostly plug and play. To be honest, I could have done this by myself too, but I didn't trust myself after the first kit, so I had to reach out to Amato Sports. Alright guys, so basically what I'm trying to get at is with this kit, for the most part, it's plug and play. It's a lot simpler, less stressful when you're installing it by yourself, so you can definitely do it by yourself. I just wanted to come stop by Amato Sports because I wanted to find an excuse to, I guess. No, but we also have to wrap the front bumper. So you guys should definitely check out Lit Lights if you guys are looking for a underglow or just like custom lighting company. I definitely recommend them because I think everything is going pretty smoothly for the most part. And of course, best part of it all, it does come with instructions and everything your kit should come with, so that's awesome. Again, very organized, and that's very important when you're installing stuff for the first time. So of course, what's more important than actually installing the parts is prepping. So Jake is going through the underbody and wiping it down with alcohol just so we can ensure that it's actually going to stick on the 3M that's in the back of the LED strip. Damn, you guys, look, so Jake just turned it on, connected it to the battery just to check on it, and look at that, Christmas. So I'm gonna hop on my phone real quick and download the app. It's called LED Hue. As you can see, I just downloaded it, and then I'm gonna connect. So as you guys can see, I set the settings as per the instructions right over here, and I'm gonna click enter, and there we go. So now we have the app and we have the lights. Let's look at this. We can reprogram them depending on the options. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? And then you can set the brightness settings. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just playing around with the lights real quick, and we have all the extensions connected, and then now we're just gonna get to sticking it in the underbody. Also, I wanted to quickly show you guys the battery setup. So you have the negative and positive set up directly to the battery, but we also have an inline fuse, as you can see, connected to the positive, which makes everything so simple. And now Jake's just playing around with the options, and look at how they look. They look pretty sweet. There's so many options for these LED strips. It's crazy. That's so sweet. Dang, that one's cool. Grant, do you see them, bro?
Yeah, no, I know. How many options do they have? Like 100 something, 200?
I have no idea.
120.
So Jake is testing out where he's gonna put the underglow, just because I'm also having a straight arrow diffuser coming in for my 350. If you guys joined my TikTok live, you saw I did mention that. So we just gotta make sure that the underglow will still show with my straight arrow diffuser that's coming in. Alright guys, so we don't even have to run an inline fuse because it's already ran for us. That's literally like, nothing could run any smoother than literally this lit lights installation. Like I've never had such a smoother experience dealing with wires and such. So honestly, definitely the way to go. Again, lit lights, like I'm so happy with the experience so far and how easy everything is. It literally could take you less than an hour to install it by yourself. And look at all the options. Look how sweet this looks. Oh my gosh. So I'm just taking the cover off real quick so Jake can run the extension wires through the engine bay, so we can actually turn this side strip on. And what we're gonna do is run it through this black cover right here, bring it down here, through this inner fender liner, and then make it stick all in the underbody. So yeah, basically after sticking, we're done.
All right guys, so we got everything basically cleaned up. Everything's off the floor and the wiring is tucked away for now.
For the most part.
For the most part. Obviously we do not have any of the components on, such as the front bumper, the side skirts, or anything, so we can't actually mount the LED strips under the car just yet. So we secured them with zip ties. Nonetheless, we got to get going for right now though, because we got things to do, but we're gonna continue working on the LED underglow.
And obviously that's better because it's gonna get dark and you guys can actually see it.
Exactly, but anyways, we couldn't have done the beginning and started off without the help of Jake at Amato Sports here in Scottsdale. So huge shout out to you guys for helping us out with the underglow and also wrapping. They also do custom headlights, they do wide body kits, you name it, they'll do it. So we'll catch you guys in the next shot. Alright guys, so it is about 1 week later and we're here at Dime PSI in Los Angeles, and Christina is finishing off the front bumper of the car. She is putting the last strip on. Alright guys, so while Christina is finishing working on the Z, we're gonna go outside and take a look at a few of these cars they have out here, because they got some really crazy stuff. So, yep, this is where we're at. We're just working on our cars and stuff. Pretty cool, pretty crazy. But, but we're gonna head back inside and take a look at how the underglow looks. We're gonna drop the garage and see the final result. Alright guys, so we got the garage closed here and it's fairly dark in here, so Christina, let's turn those bad boys on and see how they look. Ooh. Yeah, we still gotta put, as you guys can see, you can see through the side skirts, you can see the LED strips, so we gotta put some sort of tape or something there to block that off.
But as we mentioned before, you can control everything through the app. Look at that rainbow, and then let me see. These are all the options. So I didn't know what these were for the longest time. These are literally all the options.
Oh my gosh.
And you can favorite the ones you want and stuff, but look at the...
Dude, that's so crazy.
Literally so many options, it's
How many
insane.
options, like 120 or something like that?
120, yep.
Let's see the front. Oh my gosh. That's just so sick. I want to do like the police one where it's like...
Yeah, I'm looking for the red and... I have blue, but I don't think they have red and blue.
Come up behind some... Ooh, that's kind of the red
That's
and...
kind of.
Dude, that's so crazy. That's actually really crazy. So where'd you get this kit from again?
Lit lights.
Lit lights. And guys, when we tell you this, these were the easiest LED underglow to install that we've ever dealt with.
Yeah,
it
for
was literally
sure.
just plug it in and round it out to a piece of metal, and that's really it.
Yeah.
You just plug and play. Super simple.
There's so many options.
That's actually... Oh, that's gonna give me a seizure. Holy crap.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you want this kit, I will link it down in the description of the exact one I have in case you guys want it.
And we are in LA, so we have a lot of content coming your way. So stay tuned for what is coming up.
And shout out to Dine PSI for letting us come in real quick.
What's up? So we will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Peace.